In scientific terms, some animals are mammal and some are oviparous animals, but do you know there are mammals who can lay eggs? It's called monotremes. They are a primitive group of mammals that are unique because they lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. Despite this reptilian trait, monotremes also produce milk to nourish their offspring. Though they lack nipples, the milk seeps through the skin. These creatures are found exclusively in Australia. This type of animals are super rare. There are only 5 types of species are alive, and divided into 2 families. They are platypus and the 4 species of echidnas. Now we learn more about them. Platypus resembles a duck's bill and is highly sensitive, equipped with electroreceptors that detect electric signals from prey. Streamlined with dense, waterproof fur that helps it stay warm in water. Webbed for swimming but with retractable webbing to walk on land. Broad and flat, used for steering and storing fat reserves. They are found in freshwater streams, rivers, and lakes of eastern Australia, including Tasmania. They prefer habitats with abundant aquatic vegetation and burrows near riverbanks. They are most active during dawn, dusk, or night. Except during mating season, they usually hunt alone, also excellent swimwears. They are carnivorous, feeding on invertebrates such as worms, insects, crustaceans, and small fish. They store food in cheek pouches and chew it later on the surface. Platypuses lay eggs, usually 1 to 3 per clutch, and the mother incubates them for about 10 days. After hatching, the young are fed with milk secreted from the mother's mammary glands. Males possess venomous spurs on their hind legs, which can cause extreme pain to predators or humans during the breeding season. Platypus listed as near threatened by the IUCN. Their populations are declining due to habitat loss, water pollution, and climate change. Interesting facts: when the platypus was first discovered, scientists thought it was a hoax because of its unusual appearance. Platypuses are one of the few mammals capable of detecting electric fields, helping them locate prey underwater. Their blend of traits, mammalian fur, egg-laying reproduction, and venom, makes the platypus a symbol of evolutionary uniqueness. Now we move on to the echidna family. They are also known as spiny anteaters due to their long snouts and diet of ants, termites, and worms. Echidnas are among the few mammals that lay eggs, making them unique within the animal kingdom. Their bodies are covered with a mixture of coarse fur and sharp spines for defense. Long, sticky tongue used to capture insects and worms. Most active during the night or at dawn and dusk. Females lay a single, leathery egg and carry it in a pouch until it hatches. Milk is secreted through pores, as echidnas do not have nipples. Species of echidnas: short-beaked echidna, found throughout Australia and New Guinea. Adapted to a variety of environments, from deserts to rainforests. Mainly ants and termites. Known to curl into a spiky ball for protection when threatened. Western long-beaked echidna, found high-altitude forests of New Guinea. Feeds on earthworms and insects. Critically endangered due to habitat destruction and hunting. Eastern long-beaked echidna, found in forested areas of New Guinea. Prefers worms and small invertebrates. Solitary and elusive, making it difficult to study. Sir David's long-beaked echidna, limited to the Cyclops Mountains of New Guinea. Similar to other long-beaked echidnas, feeding on invertebrates. Discovered in 2006, it is one of the most endangered monotremes. Unique features of echidnas: after laying an egg, the female places it in a temporary pouch, where it hatches in about 10 days. After hatching, the young stay in the pouch for several weeks, feeding on the mother's milk. When threatened, echidnas burrow into the ground or curl into a spiny ball, exposing only their sharp quills. Echidnas are threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and climate change. While the short-beaked echidna is relatively widespread, the long-beaked echidnas are endangered and require urgent conservation efforts. These ancient animals provide valuable insights into the evolution of mammals and demonstrate the fascinating diversity within the natural world.